made it to the finish line.
Yes, a two-handed grip, and he does it.
The survivors included Michael Needham, a golf course landscaper from New Jersey who's running for his brother, a Marine in Afghanistan.